Hello and welcome to Headline Harbor Hub. NASA's Parker Solar Probe is scheduled to make an uncomfortably near approach to the Sun as a surprise Christmas present. This week, the small probe will experience temperatures as high as 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, 982.2 degrees Celsius, as it prepares for its closest approach to the Sun. With each orbit, the Parker Solar Probe gets closer to the Sun as it sets out on a mission to contact it in August 2018. The spacecraft will make its closest solar encounter yet on December 24, coming within 3.8 million miles, 6.1 million kilometers, of the Sun's surface. Despite the harsh radiation from the star, the mission might potentially transform our knowledge of the Sun at that distance by gathering information on the formation and development of the solar wind. It has taken a long time for this close contact to occur. The probe was the first mission to travel into the Sun's upper atmosphere, or corona, in 2021. During the historic flyby, the Parker Solar Probe passed through a coronal mass ejection, CME, which is an explosive outpouring of high-intensity radiation from the Sun. To better understand how the Sun's plasma interacts with the interplanetary dust surrounding it, the mission performed the maneuver again in September 2022 and collected data. The Parker Probe has made 21 near encounters to the Sun as of this September, approaching the solar surface within 4.51 million miles, 7.26 million kilometers. Parker Solar Probe made its seventh and last flyby of Venus in November, launching itself toward a closer orbit around the Sun by harnessing the planet's gravitational pull. The flyby was the last stage of a mission that was intended to swing the probe as near to our host star as possible. According to NASA, the spacecraft will fly past the Sun at a record-breaking 430,000 miles per hour on its closest approach, making the Parker Solar Probe the fastest man-made object in history. That speed is necessary for the Parker Solar Probe to defy the Sun's gravitational pull. The spaceship can reach Philadelphia from Washington, D.C. in a single second at this speed. Additionally, the spaceship must withstand the intense heat from the Sun. The spacecraft's body will remain at a comfortable 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 29.4 degrees Celsius, but its heat shield will reach temperatures as high as 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, 982.2 degrees Celsius. The heat shield of the Parker Solar Probe measures 8 feet, 2.4 meters, in diameter and 4.5 inches, about 115 millimeters, in thickness. In order to reflect as much heat from the star as possible, the shield is made up of 2 carbon plates and carbon composite foam. The plate facing the Sun has been painted white ceramic. According to NASA, the spacecraft will track the energy flow over the star's surface, examine the heating of the solar corona, and look into what speeds up the solar wind as it makes its record proximity swoop close to the Sun. Scientists are expecting to gain some insight into the Sun's most enduring mysteries with the use of this data. The Sun's corona, or upper atmosphere, is roughly 200 times hotter than its surface, which is one of its most perplexing features. The primary cause of solar wind and the origin of high-energy solar particles are 2 more heliophysical conundrums that Parker might resolve. Scientists can use the probe's data to better forecast space weather, which can affect Earth by causing devastating surges to the electrical grid and stunning auroras, making the most of the spacecraft's daring capabilities. The flyby on Christmas Eve is the first of 3 at the same distance from the Sun. Thank you for watching.